Panic and chaos on the Macedonian border. Riot police fired volleys of tear gas into surging crowds of refugees, desperate to enter the Macedonian town of Gevgilia from neighboring Greece. Several people suffered injuries.
Macedonia, they shoot the people.
Later in the day, hundreds of migrants pressed against police lines in an attempt to cross the border. Some fainted amid the heat and crush of human bodies. A growing number of migrants are stranded behind barbed wire in a dusty no man's land on the Greek side of the border. They had hoped to travel through Macedonia to seek refuge in wealthy European Union countries. But Macedonia's government declared a state of emergency and closed the border crossing on August 20th. The majority are Syrian refugees who escaped their country's civil war by traveling through Turkey and Greece.
I don't stay in my home. I need work. I need to find job. I need find good life. I need find normal life. I don't need war. I don't need fight. I don't need problem.
Those lucky enough to make it to Gevgilia's railway station before the border closed were allowed to board trains for Serbia. Macedonia is not a member of the European Union, but has become a major transit country. The refugees hope to travel to Hungary before it finishes building a 175-kilometer-long fence along its border. The ultimate goal for many is to reach the more prosperous EU countries.
Germany. We're going to Germany.
I'm going to now Germany.
Do you have any profession? What would you work?
I work is I professional is electrician.
Macedonia has registered tens of thousands of migrants passing through the country in just the past few months. The government expects the surge of migrants trying to enter the country to grow further, and no one knows when it will end.